Hello students, welcome to my GK class. This is Sanchita ma'am here to take your GK class. Class 2 students, I have already given you the syllabus for your first unit test. Today, I will not give any new lesson. Today we will do one revision work of the done chapters. Today, page number 12 and page number 13, which was already given for your unit test syllabus, that 2 pages revision work today we will do. So you can write these question answers. I will give some question answers to you today. You can write these question answers in your classwork copy. You have one GK classwork copy. Please you note all the question answers today's classwork in this copy. So first question is, which is the national anthem of our country? Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of our country. Question number 2. Who wrote our national anthem? Answer will be Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. Who wrote our national anthem? Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. Question number 3. Which is our national sport? The answer is, our national sport is hockey. Which is our national sport? Our national sport is hockey. Next question, question number 4. Who was the first president of India? Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Next question is, which is our national bird? The peacock is our national bird. Which is our national bird? The answer is, the peacock is our national bird. I think most of the answers are known to you. All these kind of you have already done. Fill in the blanks of this page. Page number 12 and page number 13. So the answers are known to you. It is in question answers form I have given for you. Next question, question number 6 is, what is the color of the Dharma Chakra of our national flag? What is the color of the Dharma Chakra of our national flag? Answer is, the color of the Dharma Chakra is navy blue. The color of the Dharma Chakra is navy blue. Next question is question number 7. Name one national song of our country. The answer, Vande Mataram is a national song of our country. Name one national song of our country. Vande Mataram is a national song of our country. Next question is, who wrote Vande Mataram? The answer is, Vande Mataram was written by Sri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who wrote Vande Mataram? Vande Mataram was written by Sri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The last question is, name any 2 popular monuments of India. Name any 2 popular monuments of India. I have given here 2 names. In your book, already 4 names are given. You can write any of the 4 or anything you know, any popular monuments you can write. Here the answer is, Taj Mahal and Qutub Minar are 2 popular monuments of India. Name any 2 popular monuments of India. The answer is, Taj Mahal and Qutub Minar are 2 popular monuments of India. The next question is based on some fill in the blanks of these 2 pages, page number 12 and 13. Some fill in the blanks I have given here. Answers are written in red color. You can see the answers. Fill in the blanks. The questions will be given like Vivekananda Rock Memorial is located in dash. Answers I have written already in red color so that you can easily understand how to write the answers. So question number 1, you have to write these answers in your classwork copy also. Now fill in the blanks. Question number 1, Vivekananda Rock Memorial is located in dash. The answer will be Kanyakumari, Kanyakumari, Kanyakumari. Vivekananda Rock Memorial is located in Kanyakumari. Next, number 2, Meenakshi Temple is located in dash. The answer will be Madurai. Meenakshi Temple is located in Madurai. Question number 3, Qutub Minar is situated in dash. It will be Qutub Minar is situated in New Delhi. Number 4, Gateway of India is situated in dash. The answer is Gateway of India is situated in Mumbai. Number 5, our national flag is known as the dash. The answer will be our national flag is known as the tricolor. Our national flag is known as the tricolor. So these 5 fill in the blanks you also learn very well. So this much is today's task. Students, you please learn all the question answers and the fill in the blanks of page number 12 and 13. 12 and 13, yes. So next day I will give another revision work of another pages. So this much is today's task. Thank you. Have a nice day.